In this video, we will be starting with the chapter Cell Biology and Biotechnology. Let us first talk about cell biology, which is also called as cytology. Now, in your earlier standard, you have studied about the structure and types of cell organelles, and the study of the different types of cell organelle is called as cell biology or cytology. Now, we have also studied about cell division in earlier chapters, meiosis and mitosis. Now, there has been a revolutionary changes in the field of human health, and this is due to the cell biology because we have started to learn more about cells and we have discovered more and more research about cell and how you can create different types of cells. So let us now study about the different types of cells. So in cytology, we study about the stem cells. Now, these are special types of cells and these are present only in multicellular organism. And these cells give rise to all the other types of cells which is present in the body of all the multicellular organisms. So these cells, they play an important role in even wound healing. So we have studied the stem cells of plant in previous class, that is in 9th standard, but about the humans stem cells we are going to study in this standard. So new organism is formed by zygote, and that is formed by the union of male and female gamete. So at the early stage of development, organism is in the form of just a huge mass of cells. So all the cells in that mass are almost alike. So when the cells are almost alike, they all look alike. These are called as the stem cells. Now, all the different types of cells which are present in your body, they are all formed from the stem cells. So the further development of these cells, they form into any type of cells and the different types of tissues, and they perform the different types of function in your body. So the basic from which we all are formed, that is called as the stem cells. Now, where these stem cells are present, so these stem cells are present for a longer duration in some part of the body, like it is present in the umbilical cord when the fetus is born. So even at that time, the stem cells can be collected. These stem cells are also present in the red bone marrow and also in the adipose tissues of the human beings. But only when a human being become an adult, then only the adipose tissues, these stem cells are present. So if anyone wants to preserve these stem cells, they can collect from these places. Now, there has been a lot of research in the stem cell, which is called as stem cell research. And according to that, we have discovered two types of stem cells. One is called as the embryonic stem cell and the other is called as the adult stem cells. Now, the division of the zygote, it starts and it gets converted into the embryo. So, the cells which undergo the repetitive mitotic division from the cell differentiation, it starts from 14th day after the conception. So before these 14th day, if you collect the stem cells, that is during from 5th to 7th day, and they are cultured, so these are called as the embryonic stem cells. Then next we have the adult stem cells. Now these stem cells, they can be obtained from the body of any adult person. So there are three main types of the sources of stem cells, like you can collect it from your bone marrow, from the adipose connective tissues, or from the blood. So stem cells, they form to different types of cells, as you can see here. So all the cells in your body are all formed from these stem cells, and nowadays from these stem cells even new organs can be generated. So now where these stem cells can be used, that we are going to study now. Now, stem cells can be used in two places. First is called as the regenerative therapy, and the second is organ transplantation. So, in regenerative therapy, it is called, or it is also called as cell therapy. So, the stem cells are used to replace the dead cells in case of conditions like diabetes or Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's disease. or to produce blood cells required in any type of conditions like leukemia or anemia, in which the body is not able to produce good amount of blood. So for all these reasons, we can use the stem cells which are in regenerative therapy. Or it can also be used in organ transplantation. So in case of failure of the kidney or liver, so those can be produced with the help of stem cells and can be transplanted. So first, stem cells can be collected. In the laboratory, a new organ can be generated, and that organ can be given to that particular person. Now, you all must have heard about organ transplantation, and even in the communication media or in TV, they show that people should or should donate organs or should donate blood on all these things. So, why this is so important? So, in human body, there are different organs in some human body. Some organs can become functionless, or the efficiency of that organ can reduce. It can be because of many reasons, like because of accidents or aging or because of any type of disease. So life of such person becomes very difficult if your organ is not working properly. The entire system is not working properly. So life of these people can be saved by donation. So there are availability of donor is also very important. Like for example, the kidney, each one has a pair of kidneys. So one kidney can be given, each person can survive with one kidney. So as the process of excretion can occur with the help of single kidney also, so person can donate one kidney. Even skin can be donated, blood can be donated, different types of disease in people can be cured with the help of those platelets or the WBCs or RBCs, and transplantation can be done. So organs like liver, heart, eyes, they can only be donated after the death of the person. And in case of accidents or even in movies, you all must have seen that one person dies and the organs are then given to different other person. So such thing happen, and that is called as the organ transplantation. Now, organ and body donation, there are different myths also which are related to these donation. So, human bodies are disposed of after the death, and as per our traditions and customs, we usually do not believe in giving organs to other people. But due to progress in science, it has been realized that many organs remains functional for a limited period of time when a person dies, and these organs, they can be donated, the body can be donated, and many people are doing such things, and those organs can help the needy people. Life of many people can be saved by organ and body donation. Blind can regain vision. Life of many people can be become comfortable because of those organs like liver, kidney, heart, or even heart valves or skin. So body can be made available for research in medical science. You must have heard about that people write and give that after my death, I'll donate my body to this particular hospital. So this is like, that is for medical studies. That person is willingly giving the body. So many government organization and social organization are working towards increasing the awareness about the body and organ donation.